What's up everybody, I'm Justin Voss with Blue Demon, and in this video we're going to give a full overview of the Blue Demon TrueView 9300 welding helmet. This is the Blue Demon TrueView 9300. Offering a very large auto darkening display that measures 100 by 93 millimeters. And it can auto darken in less than 0.04 of a millisecond. So it's a very fast auto darkening display. It even has 2 amp TIG capacity. You can easily see all your settings through the helmet's digital display, and you can adjust any of them up and down, including the shade, sensitivity, and delay, and all 3 of them can be set into automatic mode. There's also a mode button to switch between welding, cutting, and grinding, as well as an exterior button to switch between grinding and welding, so you don't have to flip your hood up to quickly change between modes. The helmet ships with replacement covers for the inside and the outside. The outside just has a little finger groove right here to lift the outer panel out. And you can pop the other one in without having to take any of the lens element out at all, since this is the one that typically gets beat up the most. And the inside can be replaced just by loosening the screw and lifting up this outer cover to give you access to the auto darkening panel. And then there's finger grooves in here that you can lift this one out and replace it. While you have the lens loose, and if you need to replace the batteries, you can just pull the little cover off right at the top and exposes the 2 2032 batteries. And speaking of lens replacements, this helmet features 2 clips on each side of the lens, and you can put in any kind of optical modifications there, like a magnifying lens or something like that. The helmet has a very comfortable head strap that really grips your head on the back of your head to help distribute the weight evenly instead of having it feel like it's hanging off of your forehead. You can adjust the back quickly just by turning this knob to loosen or tighten it. That's the main adjustments you're going to be doing. And then all of the other bands have multiple holes all the way across them to really fine tune the rest of the helmet's fit and get the head strap to your liking. The sides have little clips that let you adjust how far the helmet swings forward and swings back. You just quickly push those down to adjust that. And then the side has a little green button on each side that you just push in, and that adjusts the head strap forward and back to get the distance to your face the best. Now here we're looking behind the hood. We're going to quickly weld up one side of this T-joint. You can see how well the colors are represented. And when we strike an arc, it immediately auto darkens, and you can still see everything really clear. It's hard to set the camera up perfectly to represent as well as you can actually see out of this hood, but here is my best representation of it. And then as soon as you get done welding, you can see pretty much what your weld exactly looks like without even having to flip up the hood yet. And that's the TrueView 9300 from Blue Demon. I think it's a great welding helmet. It's super light. It only weighs 1.1 pounds, and you get that huge display, and represents the colors really well, like you saw. You can barely even notice this on your head with the way the head strap fits, and being the helmet is so light, it's a really comfortable, well-rounded helmet. And that's our overview. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.